Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about Choosing Me by Kelly Wiekers, published in 2024. Aisha had always been the strong one. She was the person people called at 2 a.m., the friend who said yes, even when she was exhausted, the employee who took on extra work without refusing, the daughter who carried emotional responsibilities beyond her age. Everyone admired her kindness. But no one noticed her emptiness. One night, after a long day of fixing problems that weren't hers, Aisha sat on the edge of her bed and whispered the sentence she had been afraid to say. "I don't know who I am anymore." She felt drained, resentful, unseen, not because people were bad, but because she had forgotten the most important person in her life herself. Scrolling through her phone, she stumbled upon Kelly Wiekers' book title, Choosing Me. Aisha paused. The words felt like a mirror. She opened the book. And for the first time, she realized. Choosing everyone else had cost her her relationship with herself. This is what she learned. Choosing Me by Kelly Wiekers, psychologist and life strategist, explains that the biggest transformation in life happens when you decide to stop abandoning yourself and finally choose you. She teaches how to break patterns of people-pleasing, emotional exhaustion, unhealthy love, and self-neglect, and how to rebuild self-trust, inner peace, and confidence. Here are the core lessons. 1. You cannot pour from an empty cup. The book begins with a powerful truth. Choosing yourself is not selfish, it's survival. Kelly explains how people lose themselves. Giving too much, tolerating too much, sacrificing identity, staying quiet to keep peace, shrinking so others feel comfortable. She teaches that self-worth begins when you recognize you deserve the same love you give to everyone else. 2. People-pleasing is a trauma response. People-pleasing looks like kindness, but often it comes from fear of disappointing others, childhood emotional patterns, not feeling enough, avoiding conflict, wanting acceptance. Kelly explains. When your self-worth depends on approval, you never truly live. She teaches readers to identify their triggers and rewrite their emotional habits. 3. Boundaries are acts of self-respect. Kelly shares a life-changing idea. A boundary is not a wall. It is a door that opens to the right people and closes to the wrong ones. Boundaries protect time, energy, peace, emotional health, personal goals. Learning to say no is one of the main tools of choosing yourself. 4. Honest self-reflection is the key to change. Kelly introduces gentle self-reflection practices. What do I want? What drains me? What fills me? What patterns keep repeating? Which habits aren't mine anymore? She emphasizes, you cannot choose yourself if you don't know yourself. 5. Love should not hurt your self-worth. Many people stay in relationships that drain them because they fear being alone. Kelly explains. A relationship should feel safe, supportive, and aligned. Choosing yourself sometimes means walking away, raising standards, healing attachment wounds, learning to give and receive healthy love. 6. Self-worth creates a new life. Kelly says, your life upgrades when you upgrade what you tolerate. When you begin choosing yourself, better opportunities arrive. Your circle changes. Your energy rises. Your boundaries strengthen. Your decisions become aligned. Your peace becomes the priority. Choosing yourself is not a moment. It is a lifestyle. The day she chose herself. Weeks later, Aisha felt different. She wasn't perfect, but she was present. She said no without guilt. She asked herself what she wanted. She stopped apologizing for existing. She made time for rest and creativity. She walked away from people who drained her. One morning, looking in the mirror, she smiled softly. For the first time in years, she recognized the person staring back. Kelly Wiekers' message had finally landed. Choosing yourself is the beginning of everything beautiful. And Aisha realized, when you choose yourself, the world you build around you finally begins to choose you too. Thank you for listening. See you in next Audiobook Daily.